हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल लीगल इन्फो एडवोकेट मुकुंद महाजन। आज हम खास करके इंडियन पिनल कोड 1860 के सेक्शन 306 पर यानी कि भारतीय दंड संहिता 1860 के सेक्शन 306 पर बात करने जा रहे हैं। इन रिसेंट टाइम्स द इंडियन मीडिया हैज़ बीन रॉक्ड बाय एलिगेशंस ऑफ अबेटमेंट टू सुसाइड। इसीलिए आज इंडियन पिनल कोड 1860 के सेक्शन 306 पर बात करना बहुत ज़रूरी है। इंडियन पिनल कोड 1860 यानी कि भारतीय दंड संहिता 1860 के सेक्शन 107 से 120 तक अबेटमेंट यानी कि दुष्प्रेरण के लिए प्रोविजन की गई है और सेक्शन 306 में आत्महत्या के लिए उकसाने पर दंडित करने की प्रोविजन की गई है। इन टूडेज वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस व्हाट इज अबेटमेंट ऑफ सुसाइड, जिसे हिंदी में आत्महत्या का बहकावा कहते हैं। अगर कोई व्यक्ति किसी दूसरे व्यक्ति को आत्महत्या के लिए उकसाता है या इतना प्रताड़ित करता है और ऐसी परिस्थितियां पैदा करता है कि जिससे कोई दूसरा व्यक्ति आत्महत्या करने पर मजबूर हो जाता है, तो उकसाने वाले व्यक्ति के साथ सजा का क्या प्रावधान है, इसकी जानकारी आज हम इस वीडियो में लेंगे। ये वीडियो अंत तक जरूर पूरा देख लीजिएगा ताकि आपको आईपीसी के सेक्शन 306 की पूरी जानकारी मिल सके। और अगर आपने मेरा ये चैनल अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो ज़रूर कीजिएगा। क्या होता है सेक्शन 306? सेक्शन 306 को भारतीय दंड संहिता 1860 के अध्याय 16 में दिया गया है, जो मानव शरीर पर प्रभाव डालने वाले अपराधों के विषय में है। अबेटमेंट ऑफ सुसाइड का मुकदमा इस सेक्शन के अंदर दर्ज किया जाता है, जिसमें इंस्टिगेशन यानी कि उकसाना, कॉन्स्पिरसी यानी कि षड्यंत्र और एडिंग यानी कि सहायता भी हो सकती है। भारतीय दंड संहिता 1860 के सेक्शन 306 अंतर्गत किया गया मुकदमा बहुत ही सीरियस माना जाता है। अबेटमेंट ऑफ सुसाइड कॉग्निजेबल यानी कि संज्ञेय और गैर जमानती अपराध है। अपराध साबित होने पर 10 साल की सजा और जुर्माना भी लगाया जा सकता है। अब हम अबेटमेंट से जुड़े सेक्शन को पढ़ेंगे और उसमें क्या प्रावधान है वो जान लेंगे। Section 306 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 penalizes abatement of suicide. This section reads that if any person commits suicide, whoever abates the commission of such suicide shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 10 years and shall also be liable to fine. Abatement of suicide is a serious offence, and classification of such offence is that the offence under this section is cognizable, non-bailable, non-compoundable and triable by Court of Sessions. Section 107 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 defines what is abatement of a thing. A person abates the doing of a thing who first instigates any person to do that thing, or secondly engages with one or more other person or persons in any conspiracy for the doing of that thing. If an act or illegal omission takes place in pursuance of that conspiracy and in order to the doing of that thing, or thirdly intentionally aids by any act or illegal omission the doing of that thing. Explanations to this section 107 are: Explanation 1. A person who, by willful misrepresentation or by willful concealment of a material fact which he is bound to disclose, voluntarily causes or procures or attempts to cause or procure a thing to be done, is said to instigate the doing of that thing. Explanation 2. Whoever, either prior to or at the time of the commission of an act, does anything in order to facilitate the commission of that act and thereby facilitate the commission thereof, is said to aid the doing of that act. Ingredients of section 107 are: in order to constitute abatement, the abater must be shown to have intentionally aided the commission of the crime. Mere proof of that the crime charged could not have been committed without the interposition of the alleged abater is not enough compliance with the requirements of section 107, which is clarified in the case of State of Rajasthan versus Kesa 2002, Criminal Law Journal 432, Rajasthan. Section 108 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 defines the abater. A person abates an offence who abates either the commission of an offence or the commission of an act which would be an offence, if committed by a person capable by law of committing an offence with the same intention or knowledge as that of the abater. Explanations to this section 108 are: Explanation 1. The abatement of the illegal omission of an act may amount to an offence, although the abater may not himself be bound to do that act. Explanation 2. To constitute the offence of abatement, it is not necessary that the act abated should be committed or that the effect requisite to constitute the offence should be caused. Explanation 3. It is not necessary that the person abated should be capable by law of committing an offence or that he should have the same guilty intention or knowledge as that of the abater or any other guilty intention or knowledge. Explanation 4. The abatement of an offence being an offence, the abatement of such an abatement is also an offence. Explanation 5. It is not necessary to the commission of the offence of abatement by conspiracy that the abater should concert the offence with the person who commits it. It is sufficient if he engages in the conspiracy in pursuance of which the offence is committed. In order to convict any person for instigating any person to commit suicide, it is to be established that the victim committed the suicide. Seriousness of the offence. The offence is tried in the Sessions Court and is cognizable, non-bailable and non-compoundable. Cognizable offence means an offence in which a police officer has the authority to make an arrest without a warrant and to start an investigation with or without the permission of a court. The police can file a first information report, that is FIR, only for cognizable offences. A non-bailable offence means bail is granted to the accused at the discretion of the court and not as a matter of right. That is, under non-bailable offences, bail is a matter of discretion of the court. A non-compoundable offence is one in which the case cannot be withdrawn by the complainant even when the complainant and the accused have reached to a compromise. That is, in non-compoundable offence, no compromise is allowed. Even the court does not have the authority and power to compound such offence. Full trial is held which ends with the acquittal or conviction of the offender based on the evidence given. In short, a person is guilty of abatement when he or she instigates someone to commit suicide. He or she is a part of conspiracy to make a person commit suicide. He or she intentionally helped the victim to commit suicide by doing an act or by not doing something that he was bound to do. The question is whether the abatement of suicide is same as murder. Reply to this is no. The abatement of suicide is different from murder, which is clearly clarified by the Supreme Court in the year 1997 in the case of Sangara Bonia Srinu versus State of Andhra Pradesh. आपको इस वीडियो में दी गई इन्फॉर्मेशन कैसी लगी ज़रूर बताइएगा। अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और अगर अब तक आपने मेरा ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। In the next video, I will come with another new important subject. Till then, thanks and good luck.